Welcome, Form 4, Physics, Topic 6, Optics, Notes, Lesson 15. You must have watched Lesson 10 until Lesson 14 for better understanding of Lesson 15. In Lesson 15, we are continue with refractive index. From the previous lesson, we have already learned that the refractive index is the ratio of sine I, angle of incident, to sine R, angle of refraction. And the refractive index, its symbol is N. The symbol is N. It has no unit. And the refractive index is proportional to the density of medium. Meaning, if the density is high, the refractive index is high. Density is low, refractive index is low. Next, we look at the formulas of refractive index. The symbol is N. Now, I have prepared two medium 1 with density 1 and medium 2 with density 2. And of course, we have the boundary. Okay? So now, light ray, the incident ray, moving in medium 1 towards the boundary with angle of incident I, and it has the speed I label V1. And then because the density was different, therefore the density is changing, the speed will change, V1 change to V2, and the direction will change. If you notice the direction changing. So here I have the refracted ray with the angle of refraction R, and I also have the speed V2. So basically we have four things, that is B1, V2, I1, I is the angle of incident, R angle of refraction. So here is the case of the light ray moving from medium 1 to medium 2. For light ray moving from medium 1 into medium 2, it is entering medium 2. It is called the refractive index of medium 2 relative to medium 1. So this is very important. For light ray moving from medium 1 to medium 2, it is the refractive index of medium 2 relative to medium 1. Okay? Next. So now the first formula would be, the first formula we already learned in the previous lesson actually. N12 means, N12 means it is the refractive index of medium 2 relative to medium 1. Or light is traveling from medium 1 to medium 2. It is sine I, angle of incident in medium 1, divided by sine R, angle of refraction in medium 2. So our first formula is N sine I over sine R. That's all. Just that the I in medium 1, R in medium 2, light traveling from medium 1 into medium 2. The second formula for refractive index, I put here N12, but the meaning is refractive index of medium 2 relative to medium 1. It is the speed of light V1 in medium 1 divided by the speed of light V2 in medium 2. So I got a second formula. Next, still continue on this. Now let us say we are given the refractive index of medium X. They are not telling light traveling from where to medium X. Now the moment they say refractive index of medium X, it means this medium X is the second medium. Is the second medium. Light is entering into medium X. So when they mention refractive index of medium X, it means the light is traveling from air or vacuum, which is medium 1, into the medium X, which is medium 2. Okay? And the formula for this, refractive index of medium X, I'm using the symbol Nx. It is the speed of light ray in air or vacuum divided by the speed of light ray in medium X. Remember, the air or vacuum is medium 1 and the medium X, that would be medium 2. So this is the formula I'm using in words. In words, if I want to use symbol, we just and refractive index. The speed of light ray in air or vacuum, if we use the symbol C, and the speed of light ray in the medium X, we just put Vx. So our third formula is refractive index, C, speed of light in air or vacuum, over speed of light in medium X. And then we have another formula. You watch this, This is refractive index of medium Y relative to X. That means light is traveling. When I say Nxy, it means it is the refractive index of medium X it is the refractive index of medium Y relative to medium X, which means light ray is from medium X to Y. The light is traveling from X to Y. And this N xy is equals to 1 over Nyx. Now this is quite important. I repeat again. Nxy, which means it is the refractive index of medium Y relative to X. Light is traveling from X to Y. It is equal to 1 over refractive index Nyx. Now Yx means it is the refractive index of medium X relative to medium Y. So here, light is traveling from medium Y to medium X. And I'm going to give an example for this. The example for the formula 4 over here. This example should be enough. The refractive index of glass relative to water. Refractive index of glass relative to water, meaning light is traveling from water into the glass. It is equal to 1 over the refractive index of water relative to glass. So here, light is traveling from glass to water. This is exactly inverse. This formula is very important. Refractive index, glass relative to water is 1 over refractive index of water relative to glass. That's it. There's one more formula which I will do in the next lesson because time is running up. Thank you. I see you on the next lesson.